Ladies and gentlemen, in this video tutorial I will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove these malicious pop-up windows related to the site downloadavailable.xyz. Downloadavailable.xyz is a really dangerous site that may suddenly attack Google Chrome and other browsers. This site downloadavailable.xyz basically tries to make you download and install some potentially unwanted software. If you see these pop-ups, be very careful and do not trust them. These pop-ups also indicate that they are verified by McAfee, which is absolutely fantastic. Now, these pop-ups are definitely fake. They are not related to any decent security application, so you need to leave this deceptive page. Now, I also recommend you to additionally investigate your computer with Combo Cleaner. It can be found on the website combocleaner.com. Use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install the program and start researching your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.